Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I hereby declare that Sri Ramesh Tawadkar is elected to the post.
Sir, those against are 15.
Yeah, those against are 15. I hereby declare that Sri Ramesh Tawadkar is elected to the post of the Speaker of the House and offer him my heartiest congratulations. I request Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister, and Sri Digambar Kamath, the Honorable Senior Member of the House, to escort the newly elected Speaker, Sri Ramesh Tawadkar, to his seat.
We are really privileged to have you in this position.
एक सामान्य मनीस एक बऱ्या एक पदाचेर पावला आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक चड करून नवीन आमदारांक चड न्याय दितले अशी अपेक्षा धरता आनी ताचें अभिनंदन करता.
40 आमदार खुबशे जाण नये आमदार आहा आनी सगल्यांक तूं न्याय दितलो म्हणून. न्याय म्हणजे कितें? इक्वल दिस थिंग टू स्पीक इन दीस ऑगस्ट हाऊस.
In all humility, I accept my defeat and would like to, I'm happy that you have become the speaker.
With your rich experience, whether as a legislator, whether as a minister, and a person who has come from that particular strata where you have seen the sufferings of the common man. And what is it that we all aspire to do ultimately? Any government of the day always aspires, and it should be the norm, to improve the quality of the life of its citizens, to make people feel it is their government.
की तूं आमकां सगल्यांक जस्टीस दितलो आनी सगल्यांक इक्वली ट्रीट करतलो, जावं ऑपोजिशन जावं रुलींग.
सगळ्यात पयलीं म्हजें हांव भाग्य मानता की हे असेंब्लीन म्हाका एक टिचर असो स्पीकर मेळ्ळो, ज्याच्यामुळे हांव आज फर्स्ट टायम आसा, हांव खूब कितें शिकूंक शकता तुमच्या कडल्यान आनी तुमी म्हाका नक्कीच शिकयतल्यात.
The House, by electing you, has shown that we are all equals among equals. I wish you all the best and I hope that all the people who are expecting from you to perform your duties, they also do the same on their end.
We being young and new leaders over here today, we would expect your full support and justice towards protecting Goa and keeping Goa always at the center.
75% नवे आमदार आसात, सो तांकां ओरिएंटेशन दिवप, ह्या हावजान कशें बरें लेजिस्लेटर जावप, हें म्हाका दिसता तुमचें कर्तव्य जातलें आनी कर्तव्य आसूंक जाय.
You hold office where you will don two hats, as the Supreme Court has said in famous judgment of Quijote Holohon. I trust you will perform your duty in true spirit as a Speaker of this August House. Congratulations once again.
आणि सभापतींनी बरे बरे पायंडा घालून दवरिल्ले आसा. म्हाका याद जाता बूक वाचता आसतना मेळ्ळें की एका तेंपार सभापती जालो की सभापती पार्टीचो राजिनामो दितालो, and in the next election he is to get elected unopposed. There was an understanding between the opposition and ruling that सभापती जो पार्टीचो राजिनामो दिवन सभापतीक जस्टीस दितलो, तो सभापतीच्या अगेन्स्ट कोण कॅन्डिडेट उबो करपाना ताका अनअपोज दिवं, अशें ह्या दिशान घडिल्लें आसा.
की अशा पद्धतीच्या एका कुटुंबांतल्यान तुम्ही वयर आयल्यात. तुमची धडपड, तुमची तळमळ समाजा खातीर करपाचें काम, शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रात तुम्ही केल्लें काम, आदर्श युवा संस्था ह्या संस्थेत तुम्ही केल्लें काम, बलराम शिक्षण संस्थेत तुम्ही केल्लें काम, अशी कितीतरी उदाहरणां जी आसा ही ना काणकोण तालुक्यात तर पुराय गोंयभर तुम्ही दाखोवन दिल्या आणि निश्चितच रित्या ह्या पदाचेर तुम्ही पावल्या.
इतल्या मजगती उपसभापती पदा खातीर काँग्रेसीचो साळगांवचो आमदार केदार नायकाचो अर्ज आयला. बीजेपीच्या वतीन सुभाष फळदेसाय, खेरीज बीजेपीक तेको दिवपी अपक्ष आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डाचो उपसभापतीक अर्ज. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.